Hello, I'm Michelle and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to elevate your style in just minutes. If you're anything like me, life is busy and sometimes we need quick ideas to help us to look effortlessly chic in a flash. Okay, up first would be hair. For days when you know you can get another day out of it and you don't really have time to wash it, try an easy updo, such as a classic twist or a sleeked back ponytail. Okay, this one's super cute. How she's got that cute little ribbon in her hair. It's just a ponytail and she's twisted it and tucked it in and then put the little bow on it. Adorable. Okay, this one's super cute. I'm showing you. It's literally showing you every detail of this adorable kind of a messy bun updo. Love it. This, she's got super short hair, but she's just got it styled in a cute little ponytail and it's darling on her. This one again, not super long hair. She's kind of got shoulder length hair and it's showing you every detail of how to make it look like that. It's darling. Just make sure you get bobby pins. You can make all of these looks happen. This one again, super cute. She's got it twisted on the side and then tucked into a ponytail. It looks great. All right, up next would be a short heel, a ballet flat, or a loafer. These can very quickly elevate any look. Okay, this, adorable. It looks like a little velvet shirt she has on. Darling. And she's added that little ballet flat to it. So she's just wearing her jeans, a little bag, and that cute little ballet flat. It looks great on her. Okay, this again, super casual. Got a pair of jeans. She's got a tank top on, and she's got that beautiful short-heeled Mary Jane. I love that. Okay, this one again, super cute. She's got some little khakis on, a button-up shirt, and that darling little strappy shoe. Love it. Okay, this one again, super casual. She's got the t-shirt on, she's got the jeans on, she has the straw bag, and then she has got that darling little shoe on, and it looks great on her. Okay, I love this shoe. She's got that black and white hearted shirt, jeans, and then that little black shoe. I love that on her. It's beautiful. Okay, this, super cute. She has the jeans on, she's got a t-shirt, the blazer, and then she's added that lovely sandal to it. I love it. Okay, this one, she actually has a little sweater on with her jeans, and then she's added the pop of color with that fabulous red shoe. I love that. I think that is darling. All right, up next would be a structured bag. A structured bag can easily elevate any outfit, creating a more sophisticated and elegant look. All right, this one, fabulous. She's got her jeans on, her ballet flat, this beautiful structured bag. She's got her black shirt on. It looks great. Just so you know, you don't need an expensive structured bag. It's just the structure that elevates things. Being an expensive bag has nothing to do with any of this. You don't need expensive items at all. Okay, this one's super cute as well. She's got her little tennis shoes on. She has her jeans on, her denim shirt. She's got her hair up in a cute little updo, and then she's got that fabulous structured bag. Adorable. Okay, this one again. She has her jeans on. She's got that button-up shirt on, the structured bag. Love it. Okay, again, this one. She has her jeans, her tennis shoes, the black shirt under the black blazer, and that fabulous crossbody structured bag. Okay, this one's super cute as well. She has the structured bag with the black and white striped t-shirt on and the short. It just looks great on her. Super casual yet super put together. Love that. All right, up next would be adding accessories. Adding accessories are a super easy and quick way to finish off and pull any outfit together. Accessories can even elevate a sweatsuit, believe it or not. Jeans and a t-shirt and just adding a pearl earring can add such a sophistication and elegance to your outfit. Adding a watch, a belt, sunglasses, earrings, these are all pieces that are gonna put your outfit together and finish it off for you. All right, this one, she actually has a sweatsuit on in this. It looks like she's thrown a blazer over it, and she's got her lovely jewelry on, just adding a bit of sophistication to it. Okay, this one, she's just got jeans on, she's got a white shirt on with her sleeve rolled up, and she's got her watch on, she's got her jewelry on, and it just finishes it off. This one I love. She's got that lovely pearl earring on. She's got a white denim jeans on, a blue and white striped shirt, and she's added that lovely pearl earring to just elevate it. Okay, love this one. Super simple. She's got a pair of jeans on, a black shirt, she's got the ballet flat, the lovely tote bag, and then she's added that lovely belt to it to finish it off. It looks great. This one's super cute. Again, just a pair of jeans with a t-shirt. She's added the lovely belt and the structured bag. Love it. Okay, another thing that's going to help you to really throw an outfit together quickly would be good quality basics. And if you've not seen my video on elevated basics, you probably want to go check that one out too, because it's super good video. I got a lot of views on it. All right, my next trick is a bold lip and sunglasses. If you're really in a hurry and you've got a fire to put out somewhere, put on a bold lip, sunglasses, and a structured bag, and you've got it. Okay, this one, she's got that beautiful bold lip on. It's really making her eyes pop. She's got the gold earring, lovely. This one, again, super light with the makeup. She's got a bold lip. She's just got her jeans and a shirt on, and she just looks fabulous. It just elevates it. Again, here, she's got this beautiful bold lipstick on. She looks wonderful. Okay, this one, adorable. She's got that bold lip, she's got that gold earring, and she's got the sunglasses. She can go anywhere. She looks fabulous. Here again, a bold lip and the sunglasses. She can run anywhere in a hurry. Here again, fabulous bold lip and the sunglasses. All right, up next would be structured pieces. These are pieces that are going to help to refine your outfit and give it more sophistication. Adding a blazer, a tweed jacket, or a lightweight trench coat will quickly pull your look together and finish it off. I did a video not too long ago on how to style a blazer in the spring. That one's a really good one if you need ideas on how to style blazers. She's got the button-up shirt, she's got the shorts, so super simple and easy outfit. And then she threw a blazer on in a structured bag, and it just looks great. Super simple, super relaxed, but polished. Okay, here's another one. She has the jeans on, she's got the graphic tee, she put on that lovely shoe, she's got the bucket bag, and then she put on that blazer to finish it all off. It looks great. Okay, this adorable. She's got that darling silver shoe on, which I think is fabulous. She's got the little jeans on, she's got the graphic tee, and then she's added that adorable little structured jacket. Darling on her. Okay, this one, she's got the jing on, she's got the mule on, white t-shirt, and then she's just finished it off with that fabulous trench coat. Love it. Okay, this one again, she's got that adorable Mary Jane style ballet flat. She's got the jeans, she has the white t-shirt, the blazer, and the bag. She looks great. Okay, again, this one, darling. She's got the jeans on, she's got the tennis shoes, she's got the white shirt, and then that lovely structured jacket on over it. Adorable. Okay, these two, darling. They both have the jeans on, the t-shirt, and they both added a blazer. One has, looks like a loafer on, and the other one has a ballet flat. Darling. Okay, this one, I love this one. It's so cute on her. She's got that fabulous black blazer, she's got a t-shirt, jeans, she's got that darling cat toe shoe, she's got the necklace on, and then she's added the color with that fabulous little red bag. Darling. Okay, and then this one's one of my favorites. I love it. She's just got a blue t-shirt on, blue jeans, and that fabulous tweed jacket. You cannot go wrong with that. If you've made it this far into the video, do me a favor and leave me a heart in the comment section so I know who you are. Never forget that you are a work in progress and the Lord loves you. Make sure you share God's love with everyone. Everybody needs to see and hear God's love. And sometimes you are the only Jesus some people will ever see. There's actually a song back in the 80s, I believe it was, and I believe it was by Steve Green, and it is one of my absolute favorite songs. It actually brings tears to my eyes. It actually says, "You are the only Jesus some people will ever see. You are the only Jesus some people will ever read. So let them see in you the one in whom is all they'll ever need. You are the only Jesus some people will ever see, or some will ever see." And it's just, it's so true. I mean, it's just so true. So make sure you're showing God's love to everyone. Reach out to people, check on people. We have lots of stress going on in the world right now, so just show God's love to everyone. Go check out some of those videos that I was telling you about, because those will probably be pretty helpful for getting ready in a hurry as well. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and bye-bye.